In a daring announcement, scientists claim to have discovered a new planet unlike anything known before. NASA, renowned for its groundbreaking findings, has revealed that this planet is fascinating not only because of its size and location, but also due to an unusual light display that appears to be artificial. Are we on the verge of uncovering secrets that could transform our understanding of the universe? Could this discovery indicate the existence of extraterrestrial life? By exploring NASA's most astonishing findings, we may soon learn the truth behind these extraordinary lights. In 2007, NASA launched the Dawn spacecraft on a mission to explore some of the most intriguing objects in our solar system. Equipped with 3 ion engines, Dawn embarked on a journey that began with a 14-month study of Vesta, the second-largest asteroid in the belt. The spacecraft sent back detailed images and data revealing Vesta's complex surface and diverse geological history. After completing its mission at Vesta, Dawn moved on to the second and perhaps most exciting part of its journey, a detailed study of the dwarf planet Ceres. Thanks to its ion propulsion system, Dawn was able to leave Vesta's orbit and head towards Ceres, something that traditional chemical propulsion would not have allowed. These engines provided a gentle but continuous thrust, enabling Dawn to travel vast distances and enter a stable orbit around Ceres. Discovered in 1801 by Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi, Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. For many years, it was considered the smallest dwarf planet in our solar system, until its official reclassification in 2006. With a diameter of approximately 950 kilometers, Ceres is the largest and most massive body in the asteroid belt and one of the most fascinating due to its unique characteristics. Scientists eagerly awaited the first detailed images of this mysterious world, which revealed bright spots scattered across its surface, especially within a large crater known as a crater. These bright spots sparked immediate interest and speculation within the scientific community. Before dawn, the best image we had of Ceres was a blurry, low-resolution picture taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. Very little was known about this dwarf planet, and the prospect of finally obtaining close-up images promised groundbreaking discoveries. The Dawn mission sought to enhance our understanding of the formation of the solar system and the role of water in the development of planetary bodies. The bright spots on Ceres, also observed on other asteroids, were initially believed to be composed of highly reflective material, possibly salts left behind by sublimated water. This discovery suggested the possibility of cryovolcanism on Ceres, a process where volcanoes erupt liquid water or brine instead of molten rock. But what exactly are these mysterious lights, and what do they reveal about the nature of Ceres? Could they be evidence of ongoing geological activity, or something even more extraordinary? Ceres stands out from other bodies in the asteroid belt due to its size, mass, composition, and potential to contain water and ice. Unlike the typically rocky asteroids, Ceres has a more comet-like composition, suggesting it could reveal more secrets about the early solar system. After 2 years in transit, the Dawn spacecraft finally approached Ceres in early 2015, marking an important milestone as it prepared to provide the first close-up views of the largest object in the asteroid belt. As Dawn drew closer, images of Ceres became increasingly detailed, revealing a world previously shrouded in mystery. The first images depicted a cratered surface indicative of a long history of impacts. However, what truly captivated scientists and space enthusiasts were the mysterious bright spots, scattered across the dark, rocky terrain. As image resolution improved, theories emerged regarding the nature of these spots. Were they patches of ice reflecting sunlight, or something even more exotic? Closer inspection revealed that the brightest spots were not a single entity but a cluster of several distinct locations. The most widely accepted hypothesis suggested that these were deposits of salt left by the sublimation of water. This indicated that Ceres had, or still has, some form of geological activity capable of bringing water or brine to the surface, where it quickly evaporates, leaving behind bright, reflective residues. These findings challenged existing notions about Ceres, painting a picture of a more dynamic and complex world than previously imagined. The potential existence of subsurface water or brine pockets could have profound implications for our understanding of the possibility of life within our solar system. Ceres is an intriguing dwarf planet, often described as an icy world with a rocky but porous surface. Unlike most asteroids, which are composed primarily of rock and metal, Ceres is notable for its unique composition. Its surface is a mixture of water, ice and hydrated minerals, including clays and carbonates, giving it a less dense structure than its rocky neighbors. This composition suggests that Ceres contains a significant amount of water. The planet's structure is believed to include a distinct interior composed of a mixed mantle, and a core rich in water ice, which accounts for approximately 50% of Ceres' total volume. Its mantle is likely a mixture of rock and brine surrounding a core composed of denser materials, such as silicates. The presence of such a significant amount of water ice suggests that Ceres may have once hosted liquid water, particularly if its core was heated by radioactive decay in its early history. This internal structure distinguishes Ceres from other asteroids and raises intriguing questions about its potential for geological activity and the role of water in its evolution. But that's not all. The discovery of ammonia-rich clays on Ceres suggests that the dwarf planet may have formed in a cooler region of the solar system before migrating inward. The presence of ammonia could lower the freezing point of water, supporting the existence of surface brines. These insights into Ceres' composition and history not only enhance our understanding of this fascinating dwarf planet but also provide valuable clues about the processes governing the formation and evolution of icy bodies throughout the solar system. Cryovolcanism is a fascinating and relatively rare geological process, especially when compared to the more familiar volcanic activity on Earth. Unlike traditional volcanoes that erupt molten rock, cryovolcanoes, also known as ice volcanoes, expel materials such as water, ammonia, or methane. These substances exist as liquids or gases in extreme cold environments. On Ceres, cryovolcanoes function by allowing salt-laden water to reach the surface. Upon exposure to the vacuum of space, the salt water rapidly sublimates, leaving behind bright, reflective salt deposits. These salt residues form the mysterious bright spots observed across Ceres' surface. The most famous of these bright spots is within a crater, known as Spot 5. This area has garnered much attention due to its high reflectivity and periodic hazes observed by the Dawn spacecraft. These hazes are believed to be caused by water sublimation, suggesting that cryovolcanic activity may still be occurring, or has occurred relatively recently, on Ceres. In addition to a crater, Ceres hosts several other bright spots, each with its own unique characteristics. These spots are scattered across the surface, indicating that cryovolcanism may be widespread on the dwarf planet. The presence of these bright spots highlights the dynamic and active nature of Ceres, challenging previous assumptions that it was a geologically inactive world. As the Dawn spacecraft captured increasingly detailed images of Ceres, a wide variety of surface features began to emerge. The dwarf planet's surface is dotted with numerous craters, each telling the story of its history. The discovery of bright spots, cryovolcanic activity, and the potential for subsurface water has transformed our perception of Ceres from a simple asteroid to a complex and evolving world. What do you think about this discovery? Could Ceres hold even more secrets waiting to be uncovered? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video,